friends and our family, we're going to take it.
It takes a lot of courage to show the world just how vulnerable you are. But this Portland family believes something good can come from it. The Reek family lives in a small Hillsborough apartment, a far cry from the 3,000 square foot home they used to have. They are victims of the Great Recession and housing crisis, and a new documentary explains just how bad it was. K2's Lincoln Graves talked with the family as this film has its widest audience yet. Lincoln.
Yeah, it was on HBO on Monday night. It will see many more airings over the coming weeks. And the filmmakers, they turned to Portland to search for families hit hard by the housing crisis. And the Reek family was just one of many pushed to the brink.
We had steak tonight, which was a huge treat. It's a big deal.
Success is measured in what Paula Reek can feed her kids.
A night where we don't have ground beef is a good deal.
A small step for her and husband Ben, but important to help overcome what knocked them down.
How do you look on your small children and realize, I can't protect you from what's coming?
What came is chronicled in the new documentary, American Winter.
I was working for Volkswagen Credit. Company cars, new car every year, made every bonus.
But things changed.
The Reeks fell victim to the Great Recession. Their kids soon learned some hard life truths.
We came home and we saw the foreclosure sign on the front door. That was really scary.
Scarier than that, needing food and not being able to buy it.
They showed me going through there, and I started crying when I was in the food bank because it was humiliating for me to have to go in there.
I hear them in bed sometimes saying, we skipped dinner because we need to feed our kids.
Hard scenes to watch for Paula and Ben, but they take some comfort in how they've all stuck together.
We're still family. That's the important thing. I mean, I think that's probably what's kept us going is we have faith and we have each other and make it through one day at a time.
The Reeks say they are doing better, and they say they participated in the documentary because they wanted other families to know they're not alone. 7 other Portland families also appear in American Winter. You can catch it currently on HBO. Brian?
Definitely worth watching, Lincoln. Thank you. Now let's turn to Storm Tracker.